If Gamma is showing error code 503, don't panic. This is usually a temporary server-side issue, and in many cases it clears up on its own. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Gamma app error code 503, step by step, so you can get back to creating your deck as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, try the simplest fix. Wait and reload the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 to do a hard refresh. This forces your browser to fully reload the page instead of using stored data. Since 503 errors are often caused by temporary overload or brief service interruptions, waiting 1 to 2 minutes and then refreshing is often enough to solve the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing you should do is check Gamma's live status page. Open the official Gamma status page and look for any announcements about outages, degraded performance, or scheduled maintenance. If Gamma is currently experiencing server issues, then the problem is not on your device, and the best solution is usually to wait until their team restores service. Now, if the 503 error happened while you were using Gamma's AI deck generator, your prompt may be the reason the request failed. Try simplifying your AI prompt. Long, complex prompts can sometimes overload the generation process, especially if they include too many instructions or try to pull data from an external link that is broken or unavailable. A much better approach is to use a shorter text-only prompt and test whether Gamma can generate the file successfully. If that works, you can gradually add more detail after the first draft is created. If you still cannot get past the error, the final fix is to log out and reset your session. Go to the main Gamma hub, sign out of your account, wait a moment, and then log back in. This helps create a fresh server handshake and can clear session-related issues that may be contributing to the 503 problem. After logging back in, try opening Gamma again and rerunning your task. In most cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the issue. Hard refresh, check the live status, simplify your prompt, or log out and reset your session. Since error code 503 usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, the key is to troubleshoot patiently and avoid repeatedly sending the same request over and over. If this video helped you fix Gamma app error code 503, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.